I love Muhammad, my love is Muhammad, there is no God but Allah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. I love Muhammad, my heart is Muhammad, my heartbeat is Muhammad. I love Muhammad, my love is Muhammad, there is no God but Allah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. I love Muhammad, my heart is Muhammad, my heartbeat is Muhammad. I love Muhammad, my love is Muhammad. Salawat, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. An elder Shaykh saw the messenger of Allah in a dream. He was told, if you truly love me, then follow my Sunnah. His Sunnah is the path, it is the proof of love. I love Muhammad, my breaths are Muhammad, my heartbeat is Muhammad. I love Muhammad, my love is Muhammad. A dervish came and asked, O Messenger of Allah, Sila, what will I receive in the hereafter? The Prophet asked, what have you prepared for it? He replied, no great deeds, I only love you. The messenger smiled and said, Anta ahbabta, you will be with the one whom you love. I love Muhammad, my heart is Muhammad, my heartbeat is Muhammad. I love Muhammad, my love is Muhammad. Look at the love of Hazrat Thawban, who feared separation even in paradise. Then came Allah's promise, those who love truly will remain with their beloved. I love Muhammad, my breaths are Muhammad, my heartbeat is Muhammad. I love Muhammad, my love is Muhammad. After the Prophet's salah, Medina fell silent when Hazrat Bilal called the adhan and said, Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Allah, the walls of Medina wept. Was it adhan or the call of love? I love Muhammad, my soul is Muhammad, my heartbeat is Muhammad. I love Muhammad, my love is Muhammad. Salawat, shani ala Muhammad, shani ala Muhammad. Salawat, forever on my lips, Muhammad. Millions of salutations upon him. O Mustafa Allah, there is no God but Allah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. My dear friends, if this Naat has touched your heart, please subscribe to Naat Suno, so that these gatherings of love, this remembrance of the Prophet's Siller, may always remain alive in your hearts and homes. Please remember us in your prayers. May peace be upon every path. and may the love of Prophet Muhammad forever live in our hearts. Forever on my lips. Millions of salutations upon him. Oh, Mustafa Abba. I love Muhammad. My heart is Muhammad. My heartbeat is Muhammad. I love Muhammad. My love is Muhammad. My dear friends, if this nod has touched your heart, please subscribe to Naat Sharif, so that these gatherings of love, this remembrance of the Prophet's love, may always remain alive in your hearts and homes. Please remember us in your prayers. May peace be upon every path, and may the love of Prophet Muhammad forever live in our hearts. Sunnah, Muhammad.